Pros and cons of using glass bricks in your house. Dear friends, glass bricks, also known as glass blocks, are wall bricks made of glass. They add a charm to interior design and help with light transmission from outside, as well as division of rooms and privacy. These blocks are used for wall fabrication, flooring, skylights, and as decorative elements. Advantages of using glass bricks. Glass bricks permit daylight to pass through the space while enabling privacy. The blocks are customizable. They provide good thermal and sound insulation. They are strong and provide safety. Disadvantages of glass bricks. For earthquake-prone areas, the glass blocks are unsafe. Alkaline solution may cause corrosion of glass blocks. Glass blocks are brittle and require careful handling and supervision. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House. Manufacturing of glass requires high temperatures for processing raw material. This results in high energy consumption.